Have you ever wondered how to facilitate a group task that fosters communication and teamwork? You're in the right place. Process facilitation is our focus today, and we're going to dive into the intriguing task known as Lost at Sea. Used during workshops, this task is a catalyst for sparking conversations on reflection, feedback, and experiential learning. It's a hands-on approach to understanding group dynamics and the importance of effective communication. So, are you ready to set sail on this journey of discovery? Stay tuned to discover the exciting task of Lost at Sea. Scene script. Picture this. Your yacht catches fire in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean. You have 15 items. Which one will you prioritize for your survival? Welcome to the Lost at Sea task, a fascinating exercise designed to hone your communication, trust building, and listening skills. It's a task that we often use in our workshops, known for its ability to spark insightful conversations and promote experiential learning. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're stranded in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, your yacht ablaze. All you have are 15 items. Your task is to rank these items in order of their importance for survival. Seems simple, right? But here's the catch. You first make these decisions individually and then as a group. As you begin this task, you might find that your individual decisions vary wildly from those of your team. That's where the real challenge begins. It's up to you and your team to negotiate, to communicate effectively, and to listen with an open mind. You have to build trust within your team, as you'll need to reach a consensus on the rankings. This task is not just about survival strategy. It's about understanding how different people perceive the same situation. It's about learning to value the input of others, even when it contradicts your own. And most importantly, it's about realizing that sometimes the collective wisdom of a group can surpass the knowledge of a single individual. So, what will you prioritize? A mirror for signaling, a can of petrol, or perhaps a chocolate bar for an energy boost? Remember, there's no definitive right or wrong answer. It's about the process and what you learn from it. And here's a tip from the experts. According to the US Coast Guard, signaling devices are crucial for attracting attention and aid in a survival situation. So, when you're lost at sea, make sure you're able to send a signal. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. This task is not so much about the correct ranking of items, but about the insights you gain and the skills you develop along the way. What's the value of an experience if there's no learning from it? Let's ponder on this for a moment. You see, the Lost at Sea task isn't merely about making the right choices for survival. It's about the journey you embark on, the decisions you make, and the insights you gain. And these insights are born from reflection, feedback, and experiential learning. After completing the task, we take a moment to reflect. Reflection is like a mirror to our thought processes. It helps us understand why we made certain choices, what influenced our decisions, and how we can improve. It's a pivotal part of learning, offering us a chance to critically analyze our actions and their outcomes. But reflection isn't enough on its own. We also need feedback, the second part of this learning trifecta. Feedback allows us to gain perspectives other than our own. It opens our minds to different ways of thinking, improving our understanding of the task, and enhancing our decision-making skills. Finally, we have experiential learning, the act of learning from experience. The Lost at Sea task is a great example of this. It's not just about what you've learned, but how you've learned it. Experiential learning engages you directly, making the learning process more effective and memorable. And remember, our channel has a wealth of videos that delve deeper into these concepts. So if you want to further explore reflection, feedback, or experiential learning, feel free to browse through our content. Remember, every experience is a potential learning opportunity. So, are you ready to get lost at sea and find your way back with enhanced skills? With the Lost at Sea task, you've got an excellent opportunity to strengthen your team-building skills, enhance communication, and foster trust. This fun yet challenging exercise pushes you to think critically, debate your viewpoints, and finally reach a consensus. It's not just about survival, but about thriving through collaboration. The beauty of this task lies in the reflection that follows. It's a chance to introspect, receive feedback, and absorb experiential learning. It's through this cycle of action, reflection, and change that real learning happens. Don't forget to compare your results with the official rankings. It's an enlightening way to understand different perspectives and learn from them. Remember, we're always here to facilitate your learning journey with more intriguing tasks. Our channel has plenty of videos on reflection, feedback, and experiential learning. So dive in and explore. Thank you for joining us today. Stay curious, stay learning, and see you in the next video.